Okay guys, so in this video I am going to show you a proven strategy that I have been using from years to make money while trading binary options, not only in this platform but any platform. It works like a charm and it is a top secret strategy. Not even a single video you can find out in whole YouTube community about this video, because this is a strategy that I have developed at one phase of the time when I was completely new on trading binary options. And at that time I used to trade commodity also, and I was facing huge loss in the while trading commodity, and that's why I switched to binary options in order to cover that loss. And at that moment I have discovered this strategy, and I'll explain you, I'll show you everything about this strategy. So watch this video very carefully, because it will help you to make lots of profitable trades starting from today to your upcoming days. This strategy is like a superpower to me, okay, and I'm giving it to you for absolutely free. So at least like this video, okay, and if you have any questions regarding this strategy or video, then do ask me in the comment section below. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. And by the way, if you don't want to take lots of tension while trading binary options, okay, and if you want to trade with highly accurate binary signals, then do join my Telegram channel. So now let's get started with our strategy. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of the currency pair favorite, whichever you want to make trade on, okay. So let's make all of this currency pair favorite. It is easy, just make this star yellow, okay, and all of this currency pair will appear above this way so that you can access it, okay. And if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I'll give a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on Pocket Option, and you will get a huge amount of deposit bonus. Not only that much, you will keep on receiving deposit bonus when you keep on depositing in this platform, okay. So now once you have done this much, then what you need to do is make this candle H1. That means each of these candles are forming in 1 hour. However, it doesn't matter if you make this candle 1 hour or if you are using a line chart, because in this strategy we are not going to see the chart, but instead we are going to do something that was my favorite from kids, okay, when I was kid, okay, and that was called probability, okay. I absolutely love this term probability. I used to read a lot about those things, and maybe because of that interest, this strategy came out at the time when I was facing huge loss while trading commodity, okay. So I'm telling you to make this H1 so that you can see what exactly the trend is of a candle in real time, okay. So as you can see here, this is a red candle, that means market is in down trade currently, okay. So that kind of thing you can see clearly. That's why I'm telling you to make it H1, okay. So now once you do this much, then Pocket Option does allow you to trade on 5 seconds, okay. So if it is flag, then make it clock, okay, and then select the time frame S5, okay. Now switch to your demo account, okay, don't trade on real account, okay. And what you need to do is select 3 currency pair in all of these, okay, that have highest payout in this way. Like it is 92, right, 92. So all of these 3 are 92, so that you get a greater payout, okay. And what I would also suggest you is the first currency that, like this AUD, UR. So the UR should not be okay in these 3. So put another that is like CHF is fine, okay. AUD, EUR, CHF, okay. So this kind of difference must be okay to use this strategy. And we are going to make trade on the basis of probability, and you'll soon realize how effective this strategy can be, okay. So now once you have done this much, now let's get started. So don't think much, okay, just click on higher, just in switch to another, click on higher, switch to another, click on higher. Let all of these 3 trades were closed. Now it doesn't matter it was profit or loss, okay, just $1 trade on demo account. Now again go here after some time, okay, after like few seconds, again make trade by clicking on higher, make trade and clicking on higher, make trade by clicking on higher, okay. Let's wait for all of this to close. So now again for one time, again click on higher, okay, after few seconds, and again click on higher in this way. Okay, so now we have made total 9 trades. So now let's click on these trades, okay, and then click on this close. Now these are the 9 trades: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So now let's see CHF JPY, it was wrong, right? CHF JPY, it was wrong, and CHF JPY, it was wrong. So we made trade by clicking on higher, but in CHF JPY all the time the trade was trying to go lower. Okay, similarly, but you need to trade fast. Okay, once you understand this, then you need to switch to CHF JPY and immediately make a trade by clicking on lower for a higher amount. Okay, so for now let's see another Euro JPY. We made a trade by clicking higher, but it was wrong. Here it was right. Okay, and again here it was right. So 2 trades were right, 1 were wrong. Okay, so now let's see AUD CHF, it was wrong. AUD CHF, it was wrong. Okay, AUD CHF, it was wrong. So the best trade you can make is of CHF JPY. CHF JPY, all 3 wrong, right? So we made a trade by clicking on higher. So now you need to quickly go to CHF JPY and invest a good amount. Okay, and trade by clicking on lower and expect to be right in this trade. So as you can see here, I made this trade right. Now let's cut all of these 3 currency pair and let's test on any other 3 currency pair. Okay, that has higher payout like URTRY, and another is GBP JPY. Okay, and another is USD CHF. So all frontal currency is different like UR, GBP and USD, right? So now let's again make 9 trades in the similar way. Okay, let's click on higher, let's click on higher, let's click on higher. So we made a 3 trades. Now let's wait for few seconds. Okay, after all of these 3 trades are closed, again click on higher. We are going to make 9 trades. Okay, it is not switching. Yeah, so total we have made 6 trades. Let's wait for some second and again go here and click on higher, click on higher. So if you think this strategy doesn't work, then you can test it properly in your demo account. Okay, and you see how this works or not work. Okay, so now again let's go to our trades and see the closed trades. USD CHF wrong, USD CHF right, USD CHF right, GBP JPY wrong, GBP JPY right, GBP JPY wrong, Euro TRY right, Euro TRY right, Euro TRY wrong. So this is a little bit not okay. Okay, you either need 3 trades right, okay, or you need 3 trades wrong to decide whether you need to make trade by clicking on higher or lower. Okay, so if you are clicking higher and all of 3 trades are right, then you can immediately go to that currency pair and make a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and if all 3 trades are wrong, then you can make trade by clicking on lower. So this is something that you use. Okay, it is called probability. Okay, whenever there is same thing repeating, okay, then if you make another trade by using the same format, then your chances are high to be right. Okay, according to the probability. This much for this video. Now go and test in your demo account and use it in your real account and make money without taking any headache. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.